Nana, how do you feel to play here?
Assalamu alaikum, everybody. I'm so happy to be here because I see this is my second time to come Shakira, but I see people love football. I'm happy to give the joy of all these people.
Mr. Nana, how did you enjoy this FIFA World Cup 2026 Spain versus Argentina?
Oh, you know, like football is a very very best thing you cannot imagine. We feel a lot of emotion. You see, like my team where I support is Argentina. All match Argentina play is one story. They come from far. For me, I think they deserve to win this World Cup, but Allah decide another things. So, but we enjoy this World Cup very well.
Last question: what is the name of your favorite footballer in the world?
It's Messi. It's Messi.
Thank you so much. All the best.
Well, welcome. Thank you. Thank you.
এবং ক্ষুদে দর্শকদের ভিড় কিন্তু আমরা